In the heart of the Palamu Tiger Reserve, amidst the serenity of nature, lies the remote village of Serangadag. Over 60 kilometers from the district headquarters of Latehar, this enclave stands as a testament to the challenges many rural communities face in Jharkhand, India.
This place is dominated by tribals, and their activities for earning is mostly agriculture, and some wage laborers are also there. So in such villages where health-seeking behavior is not there, their amenities are not there, organizing such type of camps is very important.
In response to these challenges, the One Sight Essilor Luxottica Foundation brings much-needed eye care services to the residents of Serangadag, addressing the fundamental need for clear vision in their lives. Setting up their clinic amidst the village's rustic charm, the foundation aims to address the gap in awareness and accessibility. For many villagers, this marks their first encounter with professional eye care. The One Sight Essilor Luxottica Foundation's mission is to eliminate uncorrected poor vision in a generation. The foundation believes that by providing access to vision care, together we can empower communities and transform lives through the gift of sight.
चूल्हा चौकी में जितना भी है हम लोग खाली लकड़ी ढो करके लाते हैं, खाना बना करके खाते हैं। इस कारण शायद हमको लगता है कि आँख में धुआं वगैरह पड़ जा रहा है और खाद का खाना खाने से भी हम लोग को कुछ असर पड़ रहा है।
Over 200 villagers registered for screenings. Many had never undergone an eye examination before.
हमारे गांव में पहली बार आँख के लिए कैंप लगा है। सभी का छोटा से बड़ा से बच्चों का भी आँख खराब हो रही है। तो हम लोग आप इतना कैंप लगा रहे हैं, यहाँ पर लगाए हैं और फ्री में इलाज हो रहा है, तो हम लोग को बहुत सारा फायदा सभी का हो रहा है।
The importance of such initiatives cannot be overstated, especially for the elderly, as this clinic serves as a beacon of hope.
चश्मा मिलने से पहले हमको दिखाई कम देता था, छोटा अक्षर पढ़ नहीं पाते थे। आवाज़ जो हमको चश्मा मिला, जिससे मैं अच्छी तरह पढ़ ले रहे हैं, कोई तरह का हमको दिक्कत परेशानी अब नहीं रहा।
Here, conditions like cataracts, often ignored due to lack of awareness, are identified and treated, restoring sight and dignity. The clinic provided immediate relief to those in need, with 120 villagers receiving spectacles on the spot. Amidst the busy clinic, a touching story emerged from Mr. Arjun Lohra, a 75-year-old resident of a nearby rural village who struggled with poor vision. However, after a comprehensive examination and the provision of spectacles, his life underwent a remarkable change. With clear vision restored, he approached his work and daily activities with newfound energy and effectiveness.
एंगा के बहुत खुश लगल कि एकदम ये प्रोग्राम बहुत बढ़िया बच्चा और ये पंचायत नु बहुत होरमाए गए हनी सुखे खखरा मनना चाहिए और अगले बार भी मनना चाहिए जे अम्बरार केरार आने आबराय और बरारने कान और आर गे होने अच्छा सुविधा खखरा आने कान।
On behalf of the people of Jharkhand, particularly this Palamu Commissionary and SESA, we give a lot of thanks, our gratitude for One Sight Essilor Luxottica Foundation for their support for organizing such type of camps in a remote village like this.
It becomes clear that these clinics go beyond just providing spectacles. They cultivate a sense of empowerment, showcasing the profound difference that organizations like the One Sight Essilor Luxottica Foundation can make when they extend their support. Their commitment ensures that every community, no matter how remote, receives the vision care access they need, illuminating a path towards brighter futures for all.